In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in HoneyBook, Auto Replies 2026. If you're taking time away, setting an automatic out of office reply in HoneyBook keeps inquiries informed and protects your response times. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and going to honeybook.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your HoneyBook account using your credentials. If HoneyBook prompts you to verify your identity, quickly complete the security check so you can continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base where you can see projects, tasks, and messages at a glance. Look to the left side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation in HoneyBook. In that left sidebar, locate the Settings option. Click it to open your account controls. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the My Account area. From there, select Out of Office. This brings up the dedicated page where you'll enable and customize auto replies. At the top, turn on Out of Office mode. When this is active, HoneyBook will automatically reply to new inquiries and messages for you, and it will email you a summary of any activity you missed, so you can catch up when you return. Below the toggle, you can edit the existing Out of Office template. Update the subject line to make it clear that you're away, and then refine the message body. Aim for a friendly, concise note that shares when you'll be unavailable and when people can expect a response. You can include a general time frame, like, "I'll be back on Monday," and, if helpful, a brief note about limited access to email. Avoid sharing any private details. Keep it professional and simple. Next, set the schedule. Choose the start and end dates and times for your time away. You'll see the time zone indicator. By default, this may display PST. Confirm that it reflects your time zone or adjust accordingly so your auto replies start and stop exactly when you intend. Scheduling prevents your message from turning on too early or lingering after you're back. When everything looks good, confirm your changes. That's it. Your out of office is ready. Enjoy your time away knowing that HoneyBook will handle new messages and keep everyone informed. And when you return, you'll have a clean summary waiting to help you get up to speed quickly.